There's a Cessna. I almost missed him. He just did a circle like this, a right turn. He's descending. He's just doing low flights all over the houses. Captain Sully cover-ups. It's not a civilian, and it didn't happen in January 2010. Dude's a psycho. He's the one that started the tail pump too. Like, that's right, sucker. Sick bastard. And then they just do this, and it's all covered up. Now he's out at Falda de Seo. Left pulse, right pulse. He's going towards the medical building that they tried to leave me behind with the helicopter. Past the K9 unit. Left pulse, right pulse, right pulse, left. It's too hard to tell now. Right, left.